Hello, Peter here, your Pinoy accountant. And in this video, we'll talk about how you can avail of the 8% income tax rate. So in our previous video, hindi nyo pa napanood, we talked about yung mga options ninyo o kung anong income tax rate yung advantageous sa inyo. And one of the options doon is 8% nga. And madami nagtatanong is, paano ba makapag-avail ng 8%? Dahil nga madaming benefits ang 8%, like hindi na kayo liable to pay the percentage tax if ever nag 8% kayo. And you will have the allowable reduction na 250,000. So first question is, who can avail of the 8%? So if you are non-VAT, if non-VAT registered kayo, and yung annual gross sales niyo ay hindi lalampas ng 3 million. So 3 million annual sales na 3 million at pababa, you are qualified. But yung confusion din dito is if BMBE, pwede bang mag-avail ng 8%? The answer is no. Kung BMBE na kayo, hindi na kayo pwede makapag-avail ng 8% because zero na nga yung income tax rate kapag BMBE kayo. So definitely liable kayo ng percentage tax. So hindi pwedeng zero income tax nyo, zero pa din yung business tax or the percentage tax. So for BMBE, unfortunately, hindi na kayo qualified to avail of the 8%. So in this video, yun nga pag-usapan natin how we can avail of the 8%. So there are four ways to avail of the 8%. And any of these mentioned ways lang ang kailangan yung gawin so that you can avail. So hindi nyo na kailangan gawin itong apat na steps. So yung first step natin is yung pinaka-manual talaga, yung nauna na yung nakasanayan is every year, every taxable year kasi yung pag-opt natin ng 8% is you will update yung 1905 BIR form 1905 ninyo and you will have to submit it sa inyong RDO. So napaka-manual niyan. So number two naman is this is the ano na to, yung one of the yung pinakabago na way to opt for the 8% is through the BIR Orus na. So online na to, BIR Online Registration and Update System. So go to the website lang ng BIR orus.bir.gov.ph. Ayan, if wala pa kayong account, gawa kayo ng account doon. And then may button doon na update registration and then piliin nyo lang yung avail of the 8%. So mamaya papakita ko yung mga step by step kung paano nyo to i-comply. So the next steps natin or ways to avail of the 8% is through the filing of our quarterly percentage tax return and our income tax return. So yung first quarter or the first quarter nga ng ating 2551Q and the 1701Q, may box doon. I-tick lang ninyo that you will avail of the 8%. So yun, you are qualified na to avail of the 8%. Yun nga, if you are non-VAT, annual gross sales ng 3 million and pababa, and hindi kayo BMBE. So, ayan, ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung step by step kung paano man natin i-avail yung 8% using the 1905, using the BIR Orus, and the quarterly percentage tax return, and the quarterly income tax return. So, ito yung first method natin is through yung BIR Form 1905 or the application for registration information update, correction, or cancellation. So, you have to submit it sa RDO kung saang RDO kayo nabebelong. So, you can get this form. You can download it sa website mismo ng BIR or you can get it dun sa RDO nyo mismo. So, here is the 1905 and yan, fill outan nyo lang yung mga necessary information about you. Yan, your TIN, the RDO code, yung contact number, registered name, and dito tayo sa part 2. Dito na yung ating pag-avail ng 8%. Dito sa number 6, kita nyo to sa other updates. Ayan, dito sa baba, may option dito na avail of 8% income tax rate option. Ayan, i-check mark lang ninyo. And then, sa last page, you have to sign. Ayan, so dito sa number 12, you have to sign here as the taxpayer. And then, yun, isubmit nyo na sa RDO ninyo. I think 3 copies ang kailangan so that you will have also a copy of this update through 1905. So yung next step natin is through Orus na, BIR Orus. So this is the BIR online registration and update system. So all you need to do is punta tayo sa website ng Orus and then we can update our information there. Ayan, so login lang kayo sa account niyo dito sa BIR Online Registration and Update System. Ayan yung website niya, orus.bir.gov.ph. And then once nakapag-login na kayo, dito kayo sa update information. And then dito kayo sa correction, change, or update of registration. I-click ninyo. And then dito, i-click nyo tong button for the update information. And then, click nyo kung anong i-update nyo. So, in most cases, head office. Ayan, and then lalabas dito yung TIN ninyo or the tax identification number and your branch code. And then click nyo lang itong validate. Ayan, so lalabas yung inyong registered name, RDO office, and the registered address. And then dito sa baba, information to update. So i-click nyo itong drop-down menu. And then dito yung pipiliin nyo, avail of 8% income tax rate option. And then click nyo yung OK. Ayan. And then click nyo itong by submitting this application, I confirm that I want to avail the 8% income tax rate option. And then click nyo lang yung continue. Ayan. And then lalabas itong mga review your application. Ayan, 8% ITR. Ayan, effectivity date this day. And then click nyo lang itong mga nakalagay dito na we declare under the penalties of perjury. Understand the BIR has the right to process the information. And then dito sa baba, we declare that the taxpayer on whose behalf the application is made has no other existing TIN. So click nyo lang to submit application. And then saving form. This may take a while. And then, ayan, updating information na yung nakalagay. So, ayan, nakalagay dito confirmation. Congratulations. Your application for information update, ayan, is approved. You may check taxpayer profile for the updated information. So, ayan. So, successfully, nakapag-avail na tayo ng 8% using the OROS. So, yung next step natin is through ano na, yung quarterly natin na percentage tax return and the quarterly income tax return. So yung next natin na ways are through yung ating 2551Q and the 1701Q. So open nyo lang yung EBIR form ninyo and then dito sa ating list of BIR forms, first muna natin is through yung 2551Q. So piliin nyo dito BIR form 2551Q version 2018. And then click nitong fill up. So again, for the first quarter, for the 2551Q and the 1701Q, you can opt there for the 8%. So ito, hintayin natin mag-load yung ating 2551Q. And then, example lang this is calendar and then 2026. And then first quarter. So saan ba dito yung availing of the 8%? So dito sa number 13, ayan, kita nyo, only for individuals whose sales or receipts are subject to percentage tax. Ayan, as amended. So, what income tax rates are you availing? So, pipili kayo. This is the 8%. Ito yung i-tick ninyo. And then, proceed nyo na to submit because pag nag-8% kayo doon, wala na kayong ma-fill outan dito because you are exempted na for the percentage tax. So, click yung validate. Ayan. And then, save, print, and then submit ninyo. So, yun yung ating way. Again, dito sa number 13, for the first quarter to piliin nyo itong 8% income tax rate. So, yan yung ating third method to avail of the 8%. So, yung last method natin is through dito, we will still use itong EBIR form and then using the 1701Q na for the first quarter. So, exit muna natin. And then dito sa list of BIR forms, ayan, hanapin natin 1701Q version 2018. Ayan, nasa taas. 1701Q version 2018 and then click nyo yung fill up. Ayan, and then again, this is 2026 for your first quarter yung deadline nito is May 15 pa naman. And then dito sa number 8 kita nyo. You have here an option if you would be availing of the 8%. We have here sa baba yan, business income 8%, income tax if you're practicing professional. Ito yung pipiliin niyo if mixed income earner naman kayo ng 8%. Dito kayo pipili. So, in our example, you're doing business and then 8%. I-click nyo lang itong number 8 and dito sa business income na 8% income tax rate yung pipiliin natin. And then proceed nyo na, i-fill out nyo yung details dito. So, nag 8% kayo. So, dito kayo sa Schedule 2. Ilagay yung sales niyo. For example, you have 200,000. Ayan. And then, don't forget, if you are pure business or practice of profession, may allowable reduction kayo dito na 250,000. Ayan. So, ayan, kita nyo, taxable loss pa tayo 50,000 for the first quarter. So, yung tax due natin is 0. Ayan, and then validate nyo lang. Ayan, save. Print nyo, and then Ayan, so may mga other details pa pala na kailangan nyo i-check muna yung mga information na kailangan nyo fill outan. The taxpayer, ayan. So pinakita ko lang kung paano kayo mag-avail ng 8% using the 1701Q. So dito kayo sa number 8, the alphanumeric tax code or the ATC. Piliin nyo dito 8% income tax rate. So ayan. So yun lang yung ating video for today. So, yun lang yung video natin for today. We just talked about kung paano ba kayo makapag-avail ng 8%. Again, 4 ways. So, hindi nyo kailangan gawin yung apat. You can opt na yun through 1905. Mag-submit kayo sa BIR, sa RDO, manual submission, or online. Pwede din sa BIR Orus, update registration, or sa pag-submit ninyo ng 2551Q and the 1701Q, yung first quarter ninyo, you can opt it there na mag-a-avail kayo ng 8%. So, yun. So yun lang ating video for today. If you have questions, just comment down below. And you can support our channel by donating. You can go to our website, www.pinoyaccountant.com/donate. And if you would want to download, may mga free templates sa'yo doon, mga forms. Ayan, you can go to our website, www.pinoyaccountant.com/download. So yun lang yung ating video. Again, thank you very much sa mga nag-support sa ating channel and sa mga patuloy na nagko-comment, nagsa-subscribe. Thank you very much. Super big help sa akin, especially sa paggawa ko ng ating mga videos so that I can continue making free videos, mga tutorials about taxes, ayan, bookkeeping, and everything about accounting. So, yun lang yung ating video. Again, thank you very much and I'll see you in our next videos. Bye-bye!